Team 5. All right. The first question, what type of fire extinguisher should you use when this product is on fire?
Water spray, dry.
All right. Everybody see where that's at?
Yeah.
All right.
Say it louder so we can get it on the video.
CO2, water spray, dry chemical fire extinguisher.
Team 5, your next question, what, if any, unusual hazards are listed on the MSDS?
Gas is suffocating.
That's right. Gas suffocating. What happens with acetylene, if you're trapped in an enclosed area, and it will displace the oxygen in your lungs. It'll suffocate. All right. Team 6. Where's Team 6? Okay. What is the PPE recommended? What's the recommended PPE?
Other hand gloves, apron, and gas mask.
All right. Can everybody see that? All right. Where should you store acetylene?
Cool, well-ventilated area away from heat, flame, and oxidizing agents.
Very good. That's very good, Team 6. All right, Team 7. What is the emergency treatment? What is the emergency treatment? It's on the second page.
Fire victims, brush area, keep it warm and quiet.
That's right. Everybody see it's about halfway down on the page. What it says here is remove the victim to fresh air, keep them warm and quiet. All right? Everybody understand where that is? All right. Team 7. Okay. My next question for Team 7 is this product toxic? Yes. Yes, that's the correct answer. Where was that on the MSDS?
Second sheet.
Where?
Section 6.
Second sheet?
Yeah,
Second page.
Section 6.
Section 6. Now you can see that the MSDS has a lot of valuable information. And so this is something you need to be aware of. All right. Okay. For our next team, and that is Team 8. What is the FPA rating for health? What is the FPA rating for health? Remember, the FPA rating is a 1 through a 4. 1. Okay, where would you find it?
Under 6.
Did you guys answer that or just someone else? All I hear is quiet. That's on the second page.
In the box.
That's right. It's right down. You should be able. All right, now, Team 8. What is the FPA rating for reactivity? 3. Now, that means reactivity is very high at this product. That means that if you combine it with brass or these other metals mentioned, it'll react at some point. It'll do something. So it has a high reactive rating. All right. Team 9. Are you ladies ready?
Yes.
That's a tough day. Is this product chemically stable?
Yes.
And where did you find it?
Top of page 2.
On top of page 2. Now what that means, it's stable, right? You can bump it and it's not going to blow up. Okay. All right, Team 9. What is the FBA rating for flammability?
4.
4. What does 4 mean?
Very, very,
Very, very flammable. All right. Now for Team 10, Is this product corrosive?
No.
And where did you find it?
Bottom right column.
On which page?
First page.
First page. Bottom right column, first page. Okay, very good. The second question is for Team 10. What is the upper explosive limit?
82.
82. And where did you find that? Same area. Second page, right-hand column.
First page.
First page.
Okay. Now, did we learn anything about this?
Yes.
Yes.
You know, the MSDS is something you guys shouldn't ignore. It's something that could save your life or save another a friend of yours or a co-worker who gets involved with this stuff, or it'll tell you what to do to protect yourself. That book over there is filled with information about all the materials you'll handle. It's important. So take the time to use the MSDS. Okay? All right, now, you have some other issues that Gabe wants to talk about and address. And while she's doing that, I'm going to do the drawing to see what lucky team is going to get some lotto tickets.
Thanks, Earl. Earl has gone through all the MSDS books, and they are all up to date in every building right now. So you should know where they are. If you don't know where they are, on your way back, find them so you'll know where they are. We had our first inspection of the buildings yesterday. I didn't go, but the challenge team is going to go afterwards, and it was pretty ugly from what I understand. They took one picture that this happened to be in the machine shop, and this looks like that where we had to go and circle all the bad things that were wrong. And we have a number of these pictures. Where are all of them? We can pass them around. You can see we've got big issues on housekeeping. We have big issues on extension cords. Big issues on the slings. There was a number of slings that were taken down yesterday, and we're going to put boxes that'll say slings to be inspected. So we're going to get like a yellow box or something so that you guys can put them in there if they're afraid or you feel them and they feel broken. It started that way, Roxanne already started that
Oh, they
way.
already started that way, okay.
Comes
They have one
upstairs.
going that way.
Yeah. The bathrooms, believe it or not, bathrooms are a huge safety issue, industrial hygiene. So we're going to address some of those kind of things. We're going to go walking around today, but if you can see, the number one biggest issue that can be fixed immediately is the housekeeping issues. And that's stuff laying around on your tables, on the floors. Things can get knocked over. In that picture, you saw the tank was just standing there. There's extension cords everywhere. And, it looked literally like that little thing that we had to circle everything before. There was crap everywhere. Well, we're living in it. We're living in the crap now. So we didn't realize how bad it was. So what we're going to do after we have this meeting, the challenge team goes together, and we're going to talk about when it is as you're cleaning up, when you should be cleaning up around your area. If it's just before your breaks ended or after your break started, or whatever is going to be the best thing. If you're standing at a CNC, I don't know what the best answer is going to be, but we've got to figure out a time. There's junk in corners, there's stuff everywhere, and I know we need more room, but we actually might not need any more room if it was just organized more properly. So some of those issues are going to be addressed. The extension cords, the only thing that I heard about extension cords, some of them were stretched out, but one thing people might not realize is an extension cord could